Well, got all the spark plugs done. Now I'm getting ready to install the new Spectre air cleaner, air filter set. And I left these grommets here because those are going to go in the new intake. Here's parts of the new intake for 97 Ford F-150 with the 4.6 engine. This is the kit. There it is. Spectre, part number 9920. There's the different vehicles it fits. And this is how it's going to look when it's done. Here's that nice quality piece right there. Replacing this ugly factory junky intake with a piece of crap trumpet. That's all you're breathing out of for all of that. Piece of junk getting replaced by a nice Performance Spectre. Here's the air cleaner. It's nice and big. There's the MAF sensor that we removed from the air filter assembly. It's between here and here. That is the grommet right here. So the MAF sensor you removed from this unit right here. And there it is. Ready to go into the new one. Looks like a nice new MAF sensor, so that's a good thing. You got a nice new MAF sensor. You also removed the air temp sensor from the grommet as well. And that came from there. There's where the air temp sensor got removed. So we can put it on this new filter. Alright. Let's look at these parts we got. Since I've already removed the old factory intake and done everything they said without even following the instructions, because I already kind of knew what to do. I've done a few of these before. So basically you take this shielding and you cut it and install it on these shrouds here, and these ensure that only cool air gets in. So alright, more to follow. I got to trim this piece so I make enough for this and make enough for that. More to follow. Okay, we put the heat shield together by using 3 bolts and 3 nuts. We put this little thing on. We installed the MAF with 4 bolts. There's the MAF sensor, and it's going in the right direction. There's the Spectre air cleaner. Now I'm going to put the shielding on the air filter box. So more to follow. Okay, here's how the padding gets installed. The heat shielding on the heat shield right there. There's a couple holes for some grommets. There's the filter. There's how the shield gets installed. Nice air filter. There we go. We're getting there. I also installed the grommet right there for the air temp sensor. Air temp sensor goes in there. It's installed. And there's a couple grommets that go there. That goes to the throttle body. More to follow. Okay, we're getting ready to put the air box on. 2 bolts to line up there. That to line up there. That lines up with these 2. And that one there. Here we go. Okay. You're going to line these up, line that up. Alright. More to follow. screws are in, nuts, all that stuff. Here's where we're going to put the air filter. Put it where the Spectre can be seen. There we go. Looks good. Tighten the hose clamp. Hose clamp's tight, that's how it should look. Next we're going to start hooking up the tubes. Okay. Yeah. Got the throttle. Got the pipe connected. Next is connect this to here with 2 hose clamps. Well, the intake's all done. There's the MAF that's connected, air temp sensor. Everything's connected up here, down there. Throttle ain't getting in the way of nothing. Yep, everything nice and tight. Got the lines connected. Breather. There we go. That's the Spectre intake. So one part done, intake done, exhaust left to go. Let's see how this sounds. Makes a nice difference in flow. Well, I hope you like this video and air cleaner turned out good. Have a great day. Mad boosting.